morning, students. So yesterday we were talking about lesson number 6. It's only matter of practice. We were talking about Qin Yongzi. What he was a skilled archer. Skilled means what? The person who. What is meaning of skilled? The person who is perfect in something. Correct or not? Experienced or good at something. The person who has experience of playing games, you can say, or making use of some what we call equipments. Such people are called what? Skilled. Skilled means what? Experienced. Skilled. Meaning of this word is what? Experienced. So who was experienced? Qin Yongzi was experienced. Of what he was experienced? Qin Yongzi was experienced of, he had experience of playing archery, correct or not? He was able to make use of bow and arrow in proper manner. He was able to play bow and arrow correctly. And it is told that precisely. Precisely means what? Exactly. What is the meaning of word precisely? Precisely means exactly. Whatever target was given to him, he was able to hit the target with bow and arrow. Correct or not? He was able to hit the target perfectly. So he was he used to do his work very precisely, and he used to like to make crowd and to do show off. He used to like to do show off means what? He used to show people that I am very good archer. And there was one old man, and that old man said, it is nothing new in that. It's just a matter of practice. It is only because of practice. He is doing everyday practice, so he is perfect in archery. And then he went to that old man and he said, see, Qin Yongzi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you? Please don't get angry, sir. I'm an oil sailor, as you must have guessed from the gourds. Now, gourds is what? There are some fruits. It is called the container made from. Gourds means what? Gourds. Gourds means container which is made from. Container made from dried fruit, which is hard from outside, with a hard skin. With a hard skin. There are many fruits like coconut, you can say pumpkin. Those fruits are what? Those fruits are hard, and what you have to do, you have to dry those fruits and then you have to make container. Container means what? Bhanda in Marathi we call it, yes or no? And in olden days, people used to make use of such fruits only. They used to go in forest, they will go in jungles, and then they will eat some fruits. And what they will do, inside part they will eat of that fruit, and which is outside part which is hard, that they were using for storing water. They used to fill water in that so that they can use that water to drink in their path, or you can say, or in their journey. Then he's saying, every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you. Then Qin Yongzi said, growled Qin Yongzi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Many people were gathered over there. Everyone was very much curious to see what is happening. Then what happened? Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. Now what was that? There was a gourd. See, it is like this. There was a gourd, and mouth of that gourd was very small. And on that mouth he kept what? He kept a coin. And that coin was having what? That coin was having small hole. Okay. And then what he did, he removed all oil outside of that gourd. And what he did, he started filling. He placed one small coin, एक छोटा सा नाना ठेवलं त्याच्यावरती coin. In olden days, coins were having what? Coins were having holes in olden days. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in the ladle. Ladle means what? He took some oil in ladle means what? Ladle is a container. Okay, he took some oil and then he was going to pour. तो काय करणार होता त्या कॉइनच्या होल मधून त्याच्यामध्ये तेल टाकणार होता. And then he started putting that oil in that small hole which is made to that dried fruit. जे वाळलेलं जे फळ होतं त्याला एक छोटंसं होल पाडलेलं होतं आणि त्याच्यातून तो काय करत होता? तेल टाकत होता. And when he was pouring oil in that god, not a single drop of oil fell outside. थोडा सुद्धा एक थेंब सुद्धा तेलाचा बाहेर पडला नाही. Then just what happened then? The oil went straight into the god through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the god, he lifted up the coin. Now whatever coin, that coin which was kept here, he removed that coin. So coin काढला त्याने. कोणी काढला? That old man removed that coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. ज्यावेळेस त्यांनी हा coin, see here in picture it is shown, coin. Can you see that coin? Coin was in such a way, black color. What he did, he removed that coin, and when he removed that coin, he saw that not a single drop of oil or not a single trace of oil was fallen on the coin. तो जे नाणं जे होतं, कॉइन जो होता, ठोकळा जो होता, त्याच्यावरती एक थेंब सुद्धा पडला नाही. कशाचा? तेलाचा. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. They all were, oh, how it is possible? The whole of that coin is very small, and then how this old man is pouring oil inside, and not a single drop of oil is fallen outside. Then what did that old man say? But the old man only smiled and said, as I said, there is nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. Chin Yongzi lost all his anger and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." After that, Chin Yongzi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. Are you understanding? What happened? He told that he said that not a single drop of oil, थोडं सुद्धा तेल बाहेर पडलेलं नाहीये. हे कशामुळे झालेले आहे? This is because of practice which I do every day. Every day I take God, every day I put oil in that. For some days oil was falling out, it was peeled off out. Peeled off means what? It was peeling out means what? ते बाहेर पडत होतं. But then now what happened? Nothing is, not a single drop of oil is falling out because of my so many years practice. I am doing that practice from so many years. And then that only he told Chin Yongzi that it is just a matter of practice. In your case also it is same. If you want to be a footballer, what you have to do, you should have ball in your hand, you should play football every day with your leg. If you want to become a runner, every day you should do practice of running. One day, for example, if you will run for 1 kilometer, what will happen? First day you will take half hour, second day you will take 25 minutes, third day you will take 20 minutes. After that again, if you keep on doing practice, you will take 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. That is because of what? That is because of practice which you will keep on doing again and again. Understood? If you will keep on practicing one thing again and again, naturally you will become very much perfect, or you can say you will become very much experienced or skilled in that activity. Are you understanding? Are you getting or not what I am saying? So everyone is having some hobby. If you are good in singing, then keep on practicing of singing. Keep on singing every day. Take any one song and start singing it every day. What will happen after doing practice again and again? It will help you in making you skilled person, and that will help you to become successful person in the life. That is what only old man said, because Chin Yongzi was very egoist. Correct? He was having too much ego, that he was thinking that I am very much skilled and I am very big archer. But old man said nothing. You keep on doing, you do everyday practice, so you are knowing archery. That is nothing very different or nothing something surprising. It is just matter of practice. You are practicing every day, so you are good archer. That who said to whom? That old man said to Qin Yongzi. Have you understood lesson? And then Qin Yongzi said that, sir, you have taught me very much important lesson today. I have got very good message. And he was very angry and annoyed. Annoyed means what? To become very angry and frustrated on that old man. Everything went away, and he understood his mistake, and he said, I will not do show off of my skill. I will use my skill in good manner. That is what Qin Yongzi said to old man. Have you understood lesson? Lesson समझलाय का? I think you must have understood lesson. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write down question answers. What we are going to do? We are going to write down question answers in English notebook. And that question answers I will give you tomorrow. First question is what? Who was Qin Yongzi? You can write down. Qin Yongzi was a very skilled archer who would perform wonderful feats of archery. Okay? You can write down first answer. Qin Yongzi was a very skilled archer who used to perform wonderful feats of archery. Write down at least one question. It is there in your book. And remaining questions I will give you in tomorrow's period. Tomorrow we will complete all question answers of exercise. So that at least one more lesson for unit test 1 we will complete. Okay. Thank you.